go. Good?
Huh? Chicken. Yeah, I want to eat that.
She can't believe it. You're gonna eat a baby chicken? You can see the little arms and legs and everything. What's wrong with you? That was somebody's baby.
You don't like the art.
She like to take this. Like the big old.
How much longer is this ancient piece of shit?
I don't think I'm still ready for the baby bird yet.
Oh, these block jumps. I said to her, look, mate, that's what you get when you're
look at the little arm.
the fucking
Vibrato.
That's what you get when you go sniffing around other people's garbage. You know those gentlemen that don't have a maybe I'll play some fucking How do you think they pay for this?
It's good. Look.
Apple's biggest chunkies of all of them. Noble, Louis. You are. Those people going in there with no weapons. Just books and meds.
Let's eat the whole thing.
Noble.
Beacon off.
The
head.
Get fucked up or you get rough. The only reason I'm doing it is for an ex-wife for 3